Set 1 single digit addition and subtraction. Set 0 plus 2 plus 7 minus 6 plus 1 plus 5 minus 2 minus 2 plus 3. Answer is set 0 plus 3 plus 6 minus 7 plus 6 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 2. Answer is set 0 plus 1 plus 8 minus 4 plus 3 minus 3 plus 4 minus 2 minus 1. Answer is set 0 plus 7 plus 2 minus 7 plus 6 plus 1 minus 4 plus 3 minus 6. Answer is set 0 plus 3 plus 5 minus 7 plus 6 plus 2 minus 3 plus 1 plus 2. Answer is set 0 plus 9 minus 7 plus 6 minus 7 plus 1 plus 6 minus 3 plus 2. Answer is set 0 plus 3 plus 6 minus 8 plus 6 plus 1 minus 3 plus 2 minus 6. Answer is set 0 plus 5 plus 3 minus 6 plus 2 plus 5 minus 4 plus 3 minus 6. Answer is set 0 plus 1 plus 6 minus 7 plus 9 minus 2 minus 6 plus 5 plus 2. Answer is set 0 plus 8 minus 5 plus 6 minus 9 plus 6 plus 3 minus 2 minus 1. Answer is set 2 a double digit addition and subtraction. Set 0 plus 53 plus 41 minus 51 plus 56 minus 24 minus 60. Answer is set 0 plus 47 plus 52 minus 68 plus 11 plus 51 minus 62. Answer is set 0 plus 37 plus 12 minus 48 plus 36 minus 31 plus 41. Answer is set 0 plus 42 plus 52 minus 81 plus 35 plus 51 minus 86. Answer is set 0 plus 41 plus 52 minus 73 plus 21 plus 52 minus 63. Answer is set 0 plus 42 plus 51 minus 93 plus 45 plus 54 minus 78. Answer is set 0 plus 53 plus 25 minus 78 plus 41 plus 53 minus 61. Answer is set 0 plus 41 plus 53 minus 94 plus 31 plus 13 minus 23. Answer is set 0 plus 25 plus 52 minus 77 plus 99 minus 75 plus 25. Answer is set 0 plus 45 plus 52 minus 97 plus 41 plus 53 minus 72. Answer is. Thank you.